In this video, I show you how to fix YouTube Shorts not showing on homepage problem. For fixing this problem, just go to Play Store, search YouTube. Now tap on YouTube. Up to date your YouTube from here if available in update version. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Then find out YouTube app. Tap on YouTube. Tap on force stop. Then OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Clear cache. Then clear storage. Then delete. Now open YouTube app. Hello. You can see that there is sort option. If this method not working, then play shorts. Then open again YouTube. Then you can see shorts here. Now I hope that this method fix YouTube shorts not showing on homepage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.